Welcome back. Well, today's the day. So cab's unbolted, computers are unhooked, steering shaft is unhooked, wiring is unhooked. I don't think there's any grounds left. We'll know when I pick it up. Now, lots of ways I could take this off. The biggest way is, would be easiest to pull this out, put the box on the dolly, and wheel it out. Only one problem. I haven't got a spare dolly and I haven't made another one up. So we're gonna have to figure it out a different way. Could be a problem. I brought the problem solver around. So yeah, the loader and a couple 10,000 pound straps, and I'll get the other tractor out. So when I lift it up, I can pick it up, move it away, and then move the frame back and forth. One minor thing I got to do, it is stuck in park because I unhooked everything. So I will get underneath and put it back in neutral so I can bring it outside to get it where I need it. And then when I'm done with that, tanks come out, exhaust, all the cables and stuff we don't need. We'll power wash it, and we'll power wash it with the Black Beauty and the sandblaster together. Shine up that frame, get it back in here. Leaning towards using a 3-inch drop spring set up on the front coils, new shocks, new coils, 3-inch drop. And I think I already said I'm going to probably remove that rear end, clean it all up, and put a 4-link on it. Measure it out, get it where I need it, and go that way. Put it on jack stands, level it, do it like I did the others. So, okay. So, I'm gonna drag it out with the problem solver, and then I'm going to lift it off of the problem solver. I'm gonna set it on a couple pallets, strap it down, and then use the forks on the tractor to pick it up and set it out of the way where it won't get damaged. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be back. Side note, working on better thumbnails. Some of my thumbnails have been terrible.